Welcome. In this video, we'll be finding the area of a sector using degrees. Let's take a look at our example. Example 1. Find the area of the sector shown below. Notice that this is the sector of interest. The sector has a central angle corresponding to it of 60 degrees and a radius of 8 meters. Here's a strategy we're going to follow. We're going to find the area of the entire circle, and then we're going to multiply that by the portion represented by the sector. In this case, the portion is 60 degrees out of the entire circle, which is 360 degrees. Let's go ahead and simplify this particular fraction, or let's get an equivalent fraction with a lower denominator. To do so, let's divide both numerator and denominator by 60, and notice that 60 divided by 60 is equal to 1, and 360 divided by 60 is equal to 6. So the portion of interest is 1/6. Now, the area of the circle is equal to area equals pi r squared. Since the radius is equal to 8 meters, let's go ahead and substitute that in here. So we have area is equal to pi times 8 meters quantity squared. In other words, area is equal to pi times 8 meters times 8 meters. So we get that the area is equal to 8 times 8, which is 64, times pi times meters, which becomes square meters. And we can say, well, the area of the entire circle is 64 pi square meters. But that's not what we want. We want the area of the sector. And the area of the sector is found by multiplying the portion by the entire area of the circle. So we have area of the sector is equal to portion times area of the circle. Let's go ahead and substitute in what we know. So we know that the portion is equal to 1/6 times the area of the circle, which is equal to 64 pi square meters. Now, let me go ahead and put a 1 underneath the 64 pi so we can multiply things out. And we can get this is equal to 1 times 64 pi square meters, which is just 64 pi square meters, over 6 times 1, which is 6. Now, let's get an equivalent fraction with the lower denominator. To do so, we can actually divide both numerator and denominator by 2. And we have 64 pi square meters divided by 2 is equal to 32 pi square meters. And 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So we can conclude the following. We can say, therefore, the area of the sector is equal to 32 pi over 3 square meters. And that's how we can find the area of a sector using degrees. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.